A lot of people's like, well, gotta go to work. I don't like to have that attitude because, I mean, work should be a happy place. My name is Shaundra Jeter, and I work in shipping. I expedite parts, and I've been here going on 4 years. I love where I'm at now, especially my coworkers. I love them. We make work fun. To be an expediter, you have to have a positive attitude. Communicating with people is the #1 key. I used to be shy with saying what I wanted in life, and being here and learning people, learning to talk to them without hiding in a shell is a big step for me. I like to make people happy, especially if they're having a bad day. That's what I love to do. I mean, you never know when someone is going through a tough time. My style has been bright. It's always been that way since I can remember. I don't know where it came from. I guess me just being me and trying to put a smile on everyone's face. I like to shine. Yeah.